Sabi nila, hindi raw afford ang magpa-solar. Sa Helios, meron kang 20 different financing options. So instead of you paying for your electric bill forever, you can pay for something that eventually becomes yours. Sabi nila, baka masira yung bubong namin dahil sa installation. Watertight ang mounting systems. Pinoprotektahan pa niya yung buong bubong mo from direct rain and heat. Sabi nila, paano pag maulap o tag-ulan? Solar runs on daylight, hindi direct sunlight. Output drops likely on cloudy days pero hindi zero. Sabi nila, kakalawangin daw yung mga parts. Bro, anodized aluminum frames, tempered glass, stainless steel hardware, built specifically for tropical and outdoor conditions. Sabi nila, ang tagal daw makabawi ng investment in solar na hindi na daw worth it. On average, the return on investment is around 2 to 5 years. And the system lasts for 25 years. So after that, lahat ng savings, puro ikaw na. For more than 20 years. So, ano daw ang marerecommend mong solar provider? Follow Helios.